Hi all, my name's Tim Hunter. I'm going to start talking about Legos, showing what I do here. Hopefully some of what I do is helpful for people that are kind of broke. I'm, well, I don't have a job right now, so kill the time while I'm doing the never-ending applications. Guess I'll start doing this. I'm in the Army Reserve. I'm an E5 as a sergeant. Um, Actually about to make E6 here soon. I go to the advanced leader course next month, and I'm slated to get promoted in September. But yeah, that's only a little bit of money here or there. That's the reserve for you. Um, Basically, what I'm going to talk about is kind of what I do to make things as organized as I can on almost no budget. Every once in a while, when I go to a school, I buy myself a treat, a new Lego set. I have an 8-year-old girl. Um, we get small stuff and we're slowly building a Lego city. So I'll talk about that, show the stuff we have as we're growing our Lego city. I can't really commit to doing stuff constantly because I'm here or there. I get to go to schools or I get called in and I get to do a week on orders, a few days here and there. I'm a logistics person. Supply 92 Yankee is my MOS, my mission specialty. So a lot of the way I even do stuff at home is kind of thinking that way. I've been in 17 years now. Seven of those were AGR, Active Guard Reserve. And I'm Reserve again, TPU. So that a lot of the mindset is that's how I think. I don't really look like a soldier anymore, as I'm not a young man anymore. Yeah, I've reached the age a lot of us reach where we play with our Legos. We reach our middle age, and somehow it's like a rite of passage for, well, I was middle class while I had work. So I'll talk about it. Hopefully people find it interesting, useful, whatever, fun. Tell me what y'all think in the comments. Respond as much as I can. It's here. I don't know what it's going to be. Hopefully y'all find it interesting. Of course, one of the big reasons I enjoy doing the Legos is for my little girl. It's for creativity. I was born in 79, so that makes me Gen X. I'm from the South. And schools in that time were really, everything must be done this way. And they really like to take creativity out of what you were doing. And, that's not a way, that's not how the world works. We have to be creative, otherwise society it never grows. We never come up with new technologies, new ideas at all. And Legos, you could follow the instructions or you can build whatever you want. I don't remember having many instructions for stuff when I had Legos as a kid. I'm sure there were. I don't remember them being especially as detailed as they are now, but they were there, I believe. But, it's for the creativity. Give her something to just constantly build and change and do what she wants with this area. Of course, some of it's going to be my creativity, but a lot of it is I want her to partly learn how to follow the instructions and build, but also to think of the bigger world we're building here and be as creative as she can. And, to have fun. I'm a soldier, and one of the jokes is one of the things you get when you enlist is a divorce. So unfortunately, I don't have her in my house as much as I'd like. So I try to do as much as we can fit into the time we have. So, that's why I spend the little bit extra money I have right now. It's mostly going towards stuff I do with her, and the Legos is part of that. So right here is a little bit of a look at the city. This is really my little working area. There's the Dalmatians, the city pieces, and the gumball machine. And also in the back there's a non-Lego Lego that I'm slowly working on. I got this on Amazon. It's wooden, very thin wood, but you see it goes down from very big to very small. Using it, 30 minutes here and there, I was able to go through everything. See, it's fairly well constructed. It just came in sheets, and you sift everything down. And I went through a big tub of Legos. I'm sure that's going to sound great. And you see, I guess I still have some in there I hadn't gone through. But see, it came all the way down. That's I'll have them backwards. Small, extra small got put backwards. This is the very bottom. And it worked very well. So I hope y'all find this interesting. I don't know what I'm going to really keep going or not. And I'll say what everyone says, like, share, subscribe, all that crap. Once I figure out how to do builds and make them live, I'll do that. Ask me some questions if you like. I don't know that much. I'm just a, little logistics supply sergeant, E5. I'm not the smartest person in the world by far, but, maybe y'all find this interesting. I hope you do. Y'all think of something you'd like me to do, post it. I'll do what I can. Thank you.